I want to introduce you to our information retrieval project, which is a tour planner. With this project, you will be able to search for any tourist spot in the world and find the relevant information to plan your tour. So for that, we have uh, got the data for this application from a number of sources to make sure that we get all the data regarding all the tourist spots in the world. So for getting the data, we got the data of like 15,000 cities from the geonames.org, and then we crawl the Wikipedia pages for those cities, and then we crawl the site map of the TripAdvisor, and from that we got the names of all the tourist spots, and then we crawl the Wikipedia pages of those tourist spots. And third way we got the data is by doing a BFS crawling of Wikipedia pages by providing some seed pages that we thought were important for tourism. So after crawling the data, now we got about 100,000 documents which we have indexed in Solar. So first of all, we are running the Solar locally, and then we created a core named Info Retrieval Project using command line, and then we use the command line API provided to post all the documents to the Solar so that they can be indexed. Now I'm going to demonstrate two queries and show you which documents we are getting for those queries, and try to convince you that those are the relevant documents. So first query that I'm going to try is Statue of Liberty, which is a very famous tourist spot in New York. So if you search for that query, which is Statue of Liberty, the first page you'll get, as you can see, is statueofliberty.txt, which is the Wikipedia article for Statue of Liberty. So this is the most desired document for this query, and then you get all the other relevant documents which are related to it, but not exactly the same. So you'll get the Our Lady of the Rockies, which is maybe the second or the third largest statue after Statue of Liberty. Then you get some other documents related to Statue of Liberty, and then you get a Liberty State Park, which is a famous tourist spot near the Statue of Liberty. So you get all the relevant documents regarding this tourist spot. Another query I'm going to try is Stanford. So if you search for Stanford and if you execute that query, the first document you're going to get is the document of Wikipedia page regarding Stanford University, which is what we desire. And the second document we are going to get is Professor Ville, which is a famous town built by professors around Palo Alto. So in this way, if you run a lot of queries, you'll get a lot of relevant Wikipedia pages for those queries, and this is made possible by the indexing functionality of Solar. In the next part, we are going to build an application out of these uh, basic things that we have collected. Thank you.